Hello friends, you are watching channel number Collage. This is my sincere effort to help you understand basic mathematics in a simple and easy manner. In this video, we will understand the concept of section formula in vectors. Section formula is useful in finding the coordinates of point R which lies on a line segment AB. In this case, since I lies between the endpoints A and B, R is set to divide segment AB internally in the ratio m/n. R may even lie on the extended part of segment AB, that is, R may lie outside the segment AB. So in this case, we say that R divides segment AB externally in the ratio m/n. We will see section formula for internal division. Suppose point R lies between points A and B. R lies between points A and B. If AR by RB equals m/n, then we say that R divides segment AB internally in the ratio m/n. In section formula for external division, suppose R lies on the extended part of AB. If AR by RB equals m/n, AR by RB equals m/n, then we say that R divides segment AB externally in the ratio m/n. We will see how to find coordinates of point R x, y, which is this, which divides segment AB internally in the ratio m/n if the coordinates of points A and B are known. We will use vector method to find the section formula for internal division. We will assume A bar, B bar, R bar to be A bar, B bar and R bar to be the position vectors of the points A, B and R respectively. Since R divides segment AB internally in the ratio m/n, R divides AB in the ratio m/n, we write AR bar upon RB bar equals m/n. Now since AR bar and RB bar are in the same direction, AR bar and RB bar have same direction, we write mRB bar equals nAR bar. We have mRB bar equals nAR bar. Now we will write vectors RB bar and AR bar in terms of the position vectors. So we write B bar minus R bar for RB bar and R bar minus A bar for AR bar. It will be MB bar minus MR bar equals NR bar minus NA bar, which gives us MR bar plus NR bar equals MB bar plus n a bar, which will be r bar times m plus n equals mb bar plus n a bar. So this gives us r bar equals mb bar plus n a bar divided by m plus n. So this is the section formula for internal division. Now the question is how to use section formula. Here R divides AB internally. R divides segment AB internally in the ratio m as to n. Here A bar is position vector of A, R bar is position vector of R, and B bar is position vector of B. Now we have the section formula for internal division. R bar equals MB bar plus NA bar upon M plus N. Here we observe that for MB bar and NA bar we have to do cross working. What does that mean? It means that we write R bar equals MB bar. For MB bar we have to move from M to B bar like this, plus NA bar. For NA bar we have to move crosswards like from N to A bar divided by M plus N. So we should remember while applying the section formula we have to work crosswards like this. In external division, R divides AB externally. This is point R which divides segment AB externally, which also means that B divides AR internally. B divides segment AR internally. If AR equals M, then AB will be M minus N and BR will be N. We write AB upon BR equals M minus N divided by N. That is, B divides AR internally in the ratio M minus N as to N. Since B divides segment AR in the ratio M minus N as to N, we will write section formula for internal division for point B and write B bar equals M minus N R bar plus N A bar upon M minus N plus N. By working crosswards, that is from M minus N to R bar and then from N to A bar. M minus N plus N gives us M. Next, M minus N R bar plus N A bar equals M B bar. M minus N R bar equals M B bar minus N A bar. That gives us R bar equals M B bar minus N A bar divided by M minus N, which is the section formula for external division. Here R divides AB externally in the ratio M as to N. If point R divides segment AB internally in the ratio M as to N, then we have section formula for internal division as R bar equals mb bar plus na bar upon m plus n. Please note the plus sign in both numerator and denominator for internal division. If point R divides segment AB externally in the ratio m/n, then we have section formula for external division as R bar equals mb bar minus na bar upon m minus n. Please note the minus sign in both numerator and denominator for external division. Or we can also say that whenever the ratio in which R divides segment AB is negative, like m/2 minus n, then R divides segment AB externally. So this is about the concept of section formula in vectors. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel to get more videos of this type. Share this video with your friends and relatives. See you in the next video with problems on section formula. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.